Good hello, drawing view feature nuggets in Harmony. One of the primary uses for the drawing tab is quick and nasty little changes because the camera view shows everything. Bird's eye view of the entire shot. Here's a character rig. It's made of all sorts of different components, eyes, hands, body, etc. What if I need to make a quick change to something on the body on one particular frame? Well, with this selected here, I can duck over to the drawing view very quickly. There it is. I can add bits to it, and look at that. There it is out in the camera view, just as I'd always planned. Furthermore, the drawing view also isolates the sublayers. You've seen all the sublayers view. You've seen all the sublayers stuff. Talked about those more than enough by now. At the moment, this eye is turned on. Normally, it's turned off, so you can flip through the different sublayers and make very specific changes to your rig without being worried about accidentally knocking into everything else.